Sajin is asking, can option buyer generate, I believe, profits or income consistently? That's what you're asking. Yes, you can, but you need to understand what exactly you are doing. All right, and option buying is like walking on, those firewalks. Have you ever heard of the concept? People walk on burning coal and all. It's like that. Okay, it's like that. How? Because you do not have much time. You do not have much time to give it to your trade to give you profits. All right, so unless and until you are trading like monthly expiries and you're trading stock options and you're going to hold it for multiple weeks, it's a different story. In index options you do not have time. So it's like walking on fire. You have to quickly cross that bed of burning coal if you want to make money in option buying. So you can make money option buying, but the moment your trade starts taking more time, that is when you will be punished very badly and you lose. So can you find consistently opportunities where you are going to get quick move in your direction? Market is going to hit your targets. Your option also is going to give you money. Is it going to happen like that? Yes, then you can do it. Second option is to drop to a lower time frame. So if you go to this time frame and you are scalping options, so I'm not saying you have to catch from this point to this point, but let's say you are catching this move, you're catching this move, or you're even catching this move. So this is how many points, right? So let us check. So from this point it is 4 320, 44 320, and 44 450. So let's say 125 points. So can you catch a move in of this magnitude consistently? If market is moving 125 points, you're going to make some money on options. Make sense? So even if it is a at the money option, you might not get 50% of it, but you can get 30% of it. So 30% of 100 points is 30 points. So you can still get it with an at the money options. All right, but let's say you buy somewhere here and market goes sideways, then you're screwed, because then the time value will drop and everything will work against you. So if you can catch these kinds of moves, yes, fine, you can make money. But then how many days do you get such types of moves? Now here, see, if you let's say you saw some momentum and you wait, and you, even if you buy here in this zone, there is no follow through and for extended period of time, and then it comes down. So not only will you lose time value, you will also lose your stop loss, and this will be a losing proposition for you, right? So you have to be confident of your ability to catch some short term moves. Then option buying works. Or if you are doing it from a slightly longer time frame and using stock options, you have time, then it works. Or you can use debit spreads to reduce you the impact of time value by selling options, but then your profit potential is limited, but still it works. But then debit spreads won't work on intraday unless you have a big move. So there will always be pros and cons. There is no free lunch. There is no free profit in the markets. All right, you are not going to make money easily. Please please understand, it's not going to happen. It is going to take a lot of effort from your side to make consistent money in the markets. And you will have to bear the cost. All right, so if you want quick profits, then you have to understand that you cannot have your trade go sideways. You need quick moves, and if you can find those opportunities, yes, then you can make money in option buying also. There is no absolutely no problem with that.